Hello everyone. So today we are going to work on a Niagara particle based star sphere for our time of day system. Now as you can see, the sun is setting over there. So I have speed up the system. So now you see the stars appear in the sky. So these stars are behind the clouds and they have multiple colors as well. Some are white, some are yellow, some are blue and red, but I haven't added like intensive colors, just kept them in a more natural way. And you can see the stars are behind the moon, so they are coming from a Niagara system, and that's what we are going to work on today. And automatically when it becomes the morning, when the sun rises, the stars will disappear. So let me wait until the moon sunrise from that direction. Still the moon is there. You can see the time also here. It's 3:15 a.m. It's pretty fast, so it goes like that. So yeah, now the moon sets over there, and now it's the morning. So you can see the stars disappeared. So right, this is the system we are going to work on today. Right, so first I'll start by creating a new effect, a Niagara effect. Let's create a new folder, fx, and inside that another folder, stars. Let's create a new Niagara system. From selected emitters, I'll choose this hanging particles, add and finish. I'll call it ns stars. Right, now here is the Niagara effect. Let me drag and drop it here. So I have increased the speed of the camera so that I can easily navigate in the map. Let me place it in a location like this. So now in order to get these stars in the sky, instead of spawning them in a volume like this, it would be better if I spawn them on the surface of a half sphere. So we can actually do that using this shape location, and instead of box plane, change it to a sphere. Now you see the stars are spawned within the volume of a sphere. So that's not what I need. I need them to spawn in the surface of the sphere. So for that, I can use this sphere surface distribution. If I set it to 1, all the particles will be spawned in the surface of the sphere, like this. And that's not all. I want them to spawn in a half sphere. So in fact, in the top half. So for that, if I make this 0.5, now you see they are spawning in the top half like this. See? Okay, now if this is too small, obviously, so if I want to see the stars in the sky, this has to be much bigger. So let's increase the sphere radius. Let's add a couple zeros and see. So if I press F, now we can focus on the stars, but this is still below this clouds, below the cloud levels, which is not what I need. I need the stars to be above the cloud level, and within the sky sphere, which is this one, this sky static mesh actor. So you can see the bounds of that in this way. So now if I select the stars again, now you don't even see them. So if I want them to go above the clouds, I need to increase this. So how much? Let me add another 0. Somewhere to go, but not enough. Now the 0. Yeah, now it's there above the stars, above the cloud levels clearly. Okay, now let's go to the ground level, and in ground level if I go to the game view, that means I don't see the selection, I don't see the stars because they are too small. So let's see, I think we might need something like 2000, 2500. Not visible enough. Let's add some emission. Yeah, now we can see a little bit. See? You can see there. But I think the scale is not enough. Let's see. 6,000, 10,000. Now it's much clear, but I think it's a bit too much. So 3,000, 6,000. I think that scale is reasonable. Yeah, it looks good enough for me at least. So if I want to if you keep looking at them, you can see they appear and disappear. So that's because they have a very short lifetime, 5 to 8 seconds. So we can actually increase this, but we also need to keep in mind this respawn rate as well. So if I increase this, let's say 20 to 30, we need to reduce this perhaps 20. Otherwise we will have too much stars. Yeah, it's better now. So if you simply need more stars, you can obviously increase the rate, but I like this density. And the stars are already behind the clouds, even if we see them here. That's because clouds are transparent. And also the stars have only one color. So if we need to have more colors, like maybe some slight variations, perhaps we can see. So instead of direct set, can we change this to an array? Yeah, select linear color from array. Okay. Now we have only 2 elements, and also despite the color, giving the color, I think if I have a multiplier, so using this multiply linear color. Okay, now we have a scale factor. I'll put it 50, and then this linear color, I'll put select linear color from array. So first one, I'll choose some yellow, and white, and another one a bit red, alpha one, and another blue, also one. So if you need more from white, now still you will only see the colors from the first value, which is yellow, because the array index is 0. Instead of direct set, if I put random, now we should have colors, stars from multiple colors, which does not look very realistic. So let me duplicate this couple times, so we will have more white stars compared to other colors. And also this, I think we should make these colors more closer to white. That should work. So instead of having a clear red, perhaps we can reduce the saturation. Should look more natural there. Yeah, let's go. Do they look bigger now for some reason? I think something went wrong with this multiplier. Right, reducing this W value, fix that unrealistic glow. So if I make it 1, I think it looks even more natural. Yeah, I like the way it looks now. Okay, what else? So I don't really need this wind force or drag, scale sprites as I'll leave it, and color, solve forces. We don't really need any of those nodes. We only need just stars to appear, and we don't really need any movement, so it's fine. Okay, and the next thing is, now that our particle system is ready, I need it to turn off in the daytime and automatically turn on in the nighttime. So to do that, let me now remove these NS stars from the level, and then I'll open the time of day blueprint. Then I'll add this NS stars Niagara system into this level blueprint. Now I'll disable auto activate, and we need to activate it in the sunrise and activate in the sunset and deactivate in the sunrise. So this part is sunset, the down part is sunrise. Activate and deactivate. Okay, now the time is 15, that means 3 p.m. Let me speed up. You can see the time of day here. Sun is setting. Now let me slow down. Yeah. Now the stars should appear. Yeah, we are starting to see stars here. One here. Why am I not seeing stars? Wait, I think they are below. Ah, right. Okay, so what happened is, check stars. They should appear in the world space. Yeah, I think I should detach these stars because our system is rotating. So if we just detach it and set the rotation to 0, it should work as expected. So in the beginning play is this clock. Okay, let me get the NS stars, detach from component, location keep world, rotation also keep world, scale keep world, and then set rotation, set world rotation to 0, 0, 0. That should prevent that problem. Stars appearing below. Okay. Let's wait for the night time. Okay, sunset there. Yeah, now you got the stars. Nice. You see, the moon is in front of the stars. Okay, so I think we can wrap up this episode right here. One more thing, let's wait for the sunrise and see it. See they disappear correctly. let me again go back to the slot time. So we should be able to see the transition smoothly. Right, now the stars should start to disappear one by one. Yeah, they disappeared. Okay, so with this, I think we can stop this episode right here. So thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available for the download in Patreon page. Link could be in the description below. And if you want to see some more updates in this system, please feel free to comment and let me know your suggestions and thoughts. I'll consider them in future episodes. So thanks for watching again. See you in another episode. Goodbye.